Back in 1968, the Beatles were recording the White Album. And McCartney was influenced by a speech given the Maharishi when they visited India about nature. And he was also inspired by Nat King Cole's hit song Nature Boy. He came up with this one. It's credited with Lennon and McCartney, but mostly written by Paul McCartney. Here is Mother Nature's Son. Born a poor young country boy, Mother Nature's son. All day long I'm sitting singing songs for everyone. Sit beside a mountain stream, see her waters rise, listen to the pretty sound of music as she flies. Do 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 Find me in my fields of grass, Mother Nature's son. Swaying daisies sing a lazy song beneath the sun.